It's the Techie Boy Gamer back with another new video, and today we're gonna be playing Car Crash Simulator 6. This game, I hate the background noise. I don't know why they played that there. And this map isn't in the game, okay? This map isn't in the game. We're not in a sad movie. Well, why did they have to place that sound there? Bruh.
Every crash reminds me of him.
Bro, why did you
Dad
have
used
to
to
put
say,
a love
don't
in
be
you?
afraid, son. Never
Why do you
give
have to
in.
put some?
He's gone now, but his
Yeah.
voice still echoes.
Crash Simulator 6 massive maps unfold with hidden games that every vehicle hits the road. Buses, trucks, all kinds of cars, motorcycles too. Crash test dummies flying high when crashes ensue. Crash Simulator 6 help us together to develop.
Finally, now let's go. I think this is a drift car. Yeah, I just bought a drift car. Everybody, there's a reckless drive on the road. I barely dodged that. Like the car's handling. I just left the cop there. The cop was like, oh no, one of those street races. Let's do like this. And let's pass the ambulance. Let's try not to. Bruh. At least the ambulance was behind me. Bro, did the car switch to electric? So when this car gets hit, it switched to electric. Wow, marvelous. Ooh, 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 ooh. At least it still drifts. That's all we need. Hit the ambulance. Bruh. Could you please go on fire again? And now I just turned my car into a forklift. Let's try and forklift this Nissan GTR. Hit you. Menu.
Crash Simulator 6 massive maps unfold.
Wait, let's try the motorcycle.
Hits the road. Buses, trucks, all kinds of cars, motorcycles too. Crash test dummies flying high when crashes ensue. Crash Simulator 6 help us together to develop.
The motorcycle. Yeah, this motorcycle is good. Wait, before that, let's select car.
Crash Simulator 6 massive maps unfold. We get our games touch.
Color. Let's go for a black motorcycle. Or a red. I think it's better black, so let's go. Uh,
Car crash
Howard
simulator
traffic.
6. This is my daily grind. Hit tight games put me in the car. Now crashes are all I find.
Bruh. No, I wouldn't crash with this one. Oh! I like scraped the police car. Bro. I like hit the Camaro. Like my dummy is all the way on the other side. This one is very good. It just gets on fire. And it's free for someone to steal. Bruh. No, I didn't need music. Oh, bruh. I instantly blew up. Ad. And one of those fake BeamNG games. You can't find that anywhere unless you're on computer. Let's hope Flexic will give us something like this soon. Bruh. If I press here, you're gonna take me to Play Store. I know that already. Bye. Okay, this is my last try, and then let's try going to the arena. Or let's just visit all maps. Bruh, that's my dummy right there. And I just failed. Let's go back to the menu.
This is my daily grind.
Let's
Hit tight games put me in the car. Now
wait. I
crashes
think
are all
I know this
find.
car.
I'm sitting
I've
in the
seen that car
driver's
somewhere.
seat, but I'm not in control. After every crash, I'm like, am I still whole? Car crash simulator 6.
Yeah, I think this one is good. Let's go with that one.
Simulator 6 massive maps unfold with hidden games that every vehicle hits the road. Buses, trucks, all kinds of cars, motorcycles too. Crash test dummies flying high when crashes ensue. Crash
Oh. Oh shoot, oh shoot. So there are more that get spawned in. Oh, I kind of jumped off the map. Pray for me. I know I'm not coming back after this. Bruh. Bruh. The car like still running. Those are all the parts of my car. Wait. Oh. 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 Let's restart. Sorry, I know the way now. I shouldn't have gone that fast. I should have gone slower. Oh, they're all jumping down. Restart. Psych. Oh. Bro. Oh. I shouldn't have flipped it over. This is getting... Wait, but the steering might work. I think I know the way out of here. Oops. Let me get down. Nah, let's just stay at the arena.
No way. Whoops. Oh, don't beat me. You want this hand?
Bruh. Now let's change maps. Or let's try and dodge this guy. Whoa, I didn't even counter attack. Psych. Oops, you miss. Could they just be a better arena spot? I like the interior. Oh, I'm done for. Yeah, I'm done for. See you guys later. Bro, that's my dummy. Oh wait, how did that guy survive? Menu, let's go to the menu. Select another level. Wait. Bruh. Like, do they have these sounds on YouTube? I hope this sound isn't copyright, because that would be terrible. Okay, Mr. Fast and Furious came. Oh, there's AI. Okay, I see that. Wait, can I see that? I just saw a vehicle here. Oh, it's just parked. Why is it only ambulance? Oh wait. I can see AI there. Let's go to the cockpit. Mission accomplished. That was the smallest hit I've ever seen in history. Hey yo, the FedEx truck is passing. Oh. Now that was the biggest hit I've ever seen. Restart with that. Fine, I'll do it. This game is kind of addicting. Oh. Let's go. Let's go this way now. I'm not gonna budge with any cameras. Bro! What went wrong? Like, I literally did nothing and I just saw the whole car exploding. Sorry, I'm in a rush. Oh shoot! Bruh. Is that the ambulance that I just hit? Restart. How many times do I have to restart so that I can go to the other side? Or is it just that I'm not right? Oh, there's a reset button. Sick. Oh, we done for. If the driver might have not reached successful. Oh wow. I like the new city here. Bro. There goes my bumper. Parts are flying everywhere. Oh, change. Bro, I lost all my wheels at the same time. So guys, that's gonna be the end of the video, and peace. Please subscribe, like and share this video, and I'm out. Peace.